and welcome to Out of the Rough. I'm Fred Arnold. In this show, we're going to highlight opportunities and solutions to help get you out of the rough and into success, both financially and personally. In these tough economic times, I want to bring to you practical solutions to many of today's challenges. And today I have my good friend, Jill Milady. Jill Milady is a fellow Provisor. You're on the Provisor group with me. Also, you are a philanthropist. I'm proud to say I'm on the COC Foundation board, and you give back to the community. And Jill is the president of Milady Direct Marketing. Welcome to the show.
Thank you for having me today, Fred.
Well, I'm excited about one thing, Jill, and that is talking to you about being an entrepreneur and the quick story behind you starting your own business.
Well, I started the business back in 1986. I wanted to stay home and have a family, and so I won a contract with an organization, and they asked me to produce their newsletter. So I did it. My husband would sit at home at night and lay it out on a drafting board. I would typeset it, and then we found a printer that could print it, and we put mailing labels on by hand
You're
at
dating
night.
yourself, because this is before computers with no word processors.
It was. We had the first IBM PC with a floppy disk.
Yeah. And you know what's exciting about that is your children are graduated, right? Correct?
Yes, they have.
And recently, and so you've had this company. And you help, and I want to talk about specifically nonprofits.
Okay.
Because that's your passion.
It is.
You do work with businesses, a lot of businesses in town, but nonprofits. And you were telling me about strategic integrated marketing for nonprofits. Share with me what that is.
Well, a lot of nonprofits will not have a marketing or communication plan, especially the smaller nonprofits. So throughout the year, they don't have a donor plan, and they don't communicate as best with their donors because they don't know how. So Milady Direct Marketing has developed a strategic integrated plan that we can apply to most all nonprofits. So we actually start from looking at their brand and then integrating several different marketing initiatives so that throughout the year, those nonprofit organizations are able to communicate better, and then at the end of the year, gain more donations.
And more revenue so that they
More
can drive
revenue.
the passion that they're driving.
Yes.
Give me an example. Give me an example. I know that recently you really doubled the numbers of one particular nonprofit.
I did. I have a wonderful nonprofit that hired us to do the first strategic integrated plan about 3 years ago. And year after year, we have been able to increase their donations. In the first year, it was double. And then each year thereafter, it has increased significantly. And they continually say, Jill, thank you so much for helping us. And you know, we do a lot of work behind the scenes to figure out and strategize what is the best for them and how to increase their donations. So it's just really a wonderful feeling that we can help in so many ways. So we've taken that same plan and applied it to a lot of different nonprofits, and it seems to be working really well.
Yeah, and I could tell by your passion how excited you are about it. Tell me about some of the challenges. Some of the challenges that nonprofits face, and possibly some mistakes they make when it comes to this putting together some type of fundraising event.
Yeah, you know, it's things have changed in the last 4 or 5 years where, you know, nonprofits could rely a lot on their events to make their money, and people just don't have the disposable income that they used to have, so those events have really dropped off. So we've found ways that they can increase their donations by doing other activities, and that is in the direct mail arena, creating email marketing campaigns, creating their newsletters, creating donor lunches, all of those communications throughout the year that has really helped them. Some organizations are funded by state, some are, funded by federal government, and even those have, been significantly reduced. Their budgets have been. So we've been able to help them fundraise more from private money rather than, relying on the government or the state to fund them.
Yeah,
so
the traditional source that you normally get.
it is, yeah.
So it's exciting because you're doing something that you believe in, that you make revenue on to support your family, but also supports the community.
Yeah.
I want to talk to you just real briefly because I know quite a few of your customers.
Yes.
And you really believe in business owners getting involved in nonprofits to grow their business.
I do, and one of, trying to be, when I'm out in the community, I'm one that wants everyone to be successful, so I want to listen and I want to know what their passion is, and then I want to direct that leader in the community to what is most passionate for them so that they can help that nonprofit. And so that is just something that I love to do, and I believe it's made a big difference, you know, along with you, Fred, because you do so much, and I know that you do the same thing, but it's just something that I do and that I love, and if I can help out a nonprofit or a business community leader in any way, it just feels good.
Yeah.
And
right,
you know,
right thing to do.
it is.
Yeah.
Yeah.
If you help enough people achieve their dreams and goals in life, you'll achieve yours.
I absolutely agree with that.
Isn't that it's so right? Those that want to, I know you have a great plant in the middle of the city.
Yeah.
Those that want to reach out to you and tour your plant and get some advice and a consultation on whether Milady Direct Marketing is right for them, how do they reach out to you?
They can go to our website, and that website address is miladydirect.com, and that's Mel Lady, MELLADY, direct.com, or they can call anytime to our office at 298-9190. We have great customer service people, and that's one thing that I think sets us apart is we have somebody live answering the phone and helping, and whatever your needs are, we'll direct you in the right way.
Perfect. Thanks so much. Thanks for all you do for the community.
Thank you, Fred, for all you do, and tonight's a big night for you, and
Yes,
congratulations
thank you.
as president of the chamber.
Thank you. Thank you
It's
very
wonderful.
much. Well, we're going to jump to a quick break, and we'll be right back.